How to find the vacancy chart or the vacant chart using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can access the vacant chart or the vacancy chart using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open up your IRCTC Rail Connect application. If an alert appears, simply click onto this OK button in order to dismiss that. Once you will do that, you will be landed onto the login page. So simply log in by clicking onto this login button at the top right. So once you click onto this login button, you can either enter your 4-digit login pin or log in with OTP or use your biometric authentication if enabled. And once you are verified successfully, you will be landed into the main IRCTC Rail Connect page. Now in this page, you need to click onto this train option, and once you will do that, you will have the access to this set of menu right here. Now in this menu, you need to click onto this chart vacancy button right here, and once you will do this, it will open your web browser, and in your browser it will open the irctc.co.in, which is the official IRCTC website. Now from here you will need to type in the train number, so simply copy or paste the train number, and once you will enter the train numbers, you can see the name appear right here, and then you will also need to specify the journey date as well, so you can only access it for a day later. And then you have this option of boarding station, so you can choose your own boarding station and then click onto this get train chart option. And now you can see here is the first chart full vacant berth status at 21:10 hours. So as here you can see, this is the current berth details. So these represents the coaches, so the E1, C1, C2, C3 represents the coaches, whereas the class is represented just beneath them. So as you can see that in all of the train there are currently no vacant seats or berths available, but in your case, if you are lucky, there may be some berths or seats available. So that's how you can check the chart full vacant berth status, although make sure that this keeps updating, and here are also some of the rules that you can read right here. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If this was, to make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.